Hi guys, and welcome to Project 1, Make It and Move It. Okay, so basically what you're going to have to do in this project is in your team you're going to get a little jar or a packet of marbles, just normal glass marbles. You're going to get them from one place over to another place. So inside the learning centre it could be from one side of the wall all the way over to the other wall on the other side. Or it could be two other places. But basically you go to get it from one place to the other place. And that place is quite a long distance away from the starting point. So you're going to have to think about how you're going to get your marbles from that place to the next place. Now there's a couple more things you need to know. Let's have a look at those. Now the main rule for this project is that you are not allowed to move as a person from that one side of the room to the other. So in our drawing here, you can't, if you say you're standing here, it's my little stick man, and you might have another team member over here, another really bad stick man, but the marbles need to get from here to there, but you can't go from here to there. People can't move from one spot to the other. That's the main rule. So you need to make something that will transport the marbles from here all the way across to the other side or wherever that other point is. So that's going to take a little bit of thinking. So let's have a look at how you might go about going through a few steps to get this problem solved. Let's have a look. Alright, so one of the things you'll need to work out is what are you going to make it from? So these are the types of things we'll be collecting. Cardboard, like boxes, old boxes, plastic bottles can be useful. Obviously we need some tape and things like that to be able to stick things together with. Maybe staples and maybe other kinds of things that we can use to fasten. So start thinking about what you'll need and you can start gathering them. I'll start gathering them too, and we'll put out some requests for other people in our school community to collect stuff for us so we can get making. Okay, so here's some of the steps that you might need to go through to get this project underway and finished successfully. Now step one is to understand the task that you've been asked to complete. We've kind of already doing that right now, so this is the video to do step one. So don't forget though, also ask questions, ask each other questions, ask teachers questions, ask me questions, and find out everything you need to know so that you know that you and everyone in your team knows what it is that they have to do. Okay, so if you've done that step, then what you need to do is move on to planning, step two. Now in step two, planning, what you need to do is get all your ideas down. I don't really mind how you do it. It could be on paper, it could be on an app, or anything really, just as long as you're putting all of your ideas down, thoughts for what materials you might need, what kind of people might need to help you, where you're going to build it, who's going to be in charge of what thing, anything that will help run your activity smoother. So put all of that down, make sure that you know exactly what's happening and what you need to get it done. Okay, so that would be step two finished. So now we've done step one, step two, we're up to step three. And that's the fun bit, making. So now that you've got your plan underway and you've got all your materials, you're going to start making things. So we'll gather up a whole bunch of materials and you can basically get making your design. Now that'll involve a process that goes round and round like a cycle. It'll be test it, then adjust it, then retest it, then adjust it again. So every time you're testing, you're observing what needs improvement. And then once you finally are happy that your design is going to complete the task, then you've probably done that part of the task, which is to make the design. So that would be step three done. Step four is to share. Now what that means is once you've finished making your design and you're happy with it, you actually get the opportunity to share your design in front of people and to show how successful your design can be in completing the task. So to start with, you've got people around you, so the people that are there watching, and they'll be your audience, but we'll also take some footage, video footage of the testing or the demonstration of your design, and we can put that up on this website and other places so that people at home, your relatives, you might have family that can't get to school to see, and they'll be able to see your success as well. So that'll be step 4, is to actually demonstrate your little machine and then share it with anybody who would like to watch. So they're the 4 steps. Now, to get more information about these steps, if you click on the links, you'll see a little video explaining a little bit more about each steps, but there probably won't be one for the understand one because we're already watching that video right now. And the share one is pretty easy to understand. So really it's just that plan and the make. There'll be a little video explaining those 2 things there. Alright, so if you understand what the task is, make sure you sign up for it. Think about what that might mean. It'll be lunch times for you and maybe some other times as well outside of class. So you'll have to make sure that you're committed to being part of that team and stick with it till the end. Alright, so it's time to get making. Make sure you sign up and I'll see you soon.